How to refund items on Shopee. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to refund items on Shopee. First of all, open web browser. Search for Shopee login. Now go to the Shopee website. Log in to your account. Now click on your cart. Click on checkout. Now click on place order. After that, go back and click on your profile icon. Now click on the settings option. Click on help center. Here you can contact the Shopee customer service with your problems. Now click on returns and refunds. After that, click on the three dots in the top right corner and change it to a desktop site. Now go back and refresh the page and go into your profile. Click on My Purchase. Here you can see the returned or refunded items. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.